Hi there, welcome to Core Figures. Today we will look at signing up for Xero for a free 30-day trial period, which will give us access to the demo company that we will be using for each individual tutorial in the series. We can then enter our company details into our new Xero. So let's get started. Head over to Xero.com and click on the green Try Xero for Free button at the top right of the page. This will bring you to the sign up form. You'll then be brought over to the sign-up form. You'll notice there's no credit card required, which is great as it means you won't automatically get fees taken if you decide not to carry on with your Xero subscription. If you just want to continue practicing, you will still be able to log in and use a demo company for free once your trial has expired. However, if you decide to carry on with Xero as your company's accounting software, you can sign up for a subscription plan. Xero will email you prior to your trial running out, so you can go ahead with a plan without losing access to your company. Just scroll through, fill in the form, choose a location from the drop-down list. I've read and agreed to terms of use, privacy notice, and other details. More information is on these clickable links. Lastly, tick I'm not a robot. Next, confirm. Xero will then bring you to this welcome screen, confirming your email address, and then the next step is to click on the link in your email to verify your account. Then you're ready to start using Xero and exploring features. When you first log into your Xero, it will bring up the multi-factor verification prompt, which is the second layer of security designed to prevent anyone but you from accessing your account, even if they know your password. Xero recommends Xero Authenticator as it is faster for Xero to access because it has push notifications. Google Authenticator and FreeOPT are also effective apps, but a little slower as you will need to enter a code. It is also recommended to download the Authenticator app to your phone from either the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Click Set up Multi-Factor Authentication and click Use Xero Verify. On the Add Your Business prompt, add your business name and choose an industry from the drop-down. Also choose your country from the drop-down. In the GST section, depending on where you are in the world, it will either be GST or VAT. You can leave that ticked or choose to untick it. And then click Start Trial. The next step Xero will ask you to do is to tick items on the Getting Started Setup Guide. You can't move forward without choosing one or more of the options. We won't be going through this in today's tutorial, but as I want to move forward to introducing you to the dashboard, I will skip through this. And welcome to your new dashboard. As no sales or purchases have been entered at this time, you can see the screen is at zero balance. You can switch between your company and the demo by going to the top left of your screen. Click on the drop-down box and choose Demo Company. The demo company is used for practice, So you'll see items are already loaded in there. Let's switch back to your company and complete business settings. Click on Settings and Organisation Details. We will be uploading logos in another tutorial, so we won't be doing that today. You will notice your display name and trading name are already entered from your sign-up form. You can change these if required. Choose your organisation type and enter a short organisation description if required. Add a postal address, and if your physical address is the same, just tick the box. Otherwise, you can fill this in too. Click Save. You can also click Setup Guide. This will give you information on more dashboard features. I'm always happy to answer any questions you may have, so feel free to pop these in the comments. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. Next time we will cover adding purchasers and contacts. If there is anything specific you would like to learn, please let me know in the comments. Bye for now, and see you next time.